Hey guys, welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, so if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new watch from Richard Mille. This is Richard Mille RM6701 Extra Flat in Titanium. This watch, which shares the unmistakable tonneau shape that Richard Mille is famous for, makes an excellent lifestyle watch for the few of us that can lay down $85,000 at the dealer. The RM67 line of watches offers you a chance to wear the brand on a daily basis, and some of the watches that shares the stable with include the sportier RM6501 with its carbon quartz cases and elastic straps. This RM6701 is also offered in white gold and rose gold. Retail price on this titanium model, as I said, is $85,000. If you can even get this watch at the retail store, it's a high entry point for most watch enthusiasts. Now I'm going to be going over the aspects of this watch: the case size, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap and deployment. I'm also going to be giving some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now starting off with the case size, this is a 38mm watch from right to left, and about 47 millimeters from the top to bottom of the case. This case is crafted in grade 5 titanium, so it's rather light in weight. Turning over to the side of the case, you're going to see this brushed finishing along with high polished support columns. See that on the right side as well. This is where the crown is. Now, not being too large, the crown on the right side is easy to pull out and turn with your fingers. Now looking underneath here at the case back, you can see it's an exhibition case back, sapphire. Shows the fine detail that goes into the crafting of this watch. Let's pop it on my wrist, see what it looks like here. It's a double fold over spring tension deployment. It feels nice. Doesn't feel too bulky. Wears very nicely on my medium-sized wrist, being it's an extra flat here too. So this guy's big brothers are rather bulky and scream for attention. They're not likely to fit under the shirt cuff, but this RM6701 will. This is more reserved and keep it classy type when going about your daily activity. The water resistance on this case is about 30 meters or 100 feet, so you can comfortably go swimming with this watch and not worry about getting water in it. Personally, I would probably just wash my hands with it on at most. Now, hundreds of hours go into the production of each of these watches. The tooling that's needed to produce them is also researched and tooled for the specific job needed to produce these watches. With the amount of time and expertise needed, it's really no wonder why they don't produce more than 5,000 pieces a year total. Now, Rolex, on the other hand, they produce more than 1 million watches annually. You're going to find examples of their watches on customers regularly. Now, if you want to be in the exclusive group of watch enthusiasts, you're going to probably want to look at this watch. It's hard to top Richard Mille as a watch. And if you can think of a better brand, let me know in your comments below. I'd love to hear. This watch has a skeletonized see-through dial, as you can see. Shows several layers underneath there. Dial has Arabic hour markers, and there's little luminescent dots on the outside of those Arabic numbers that serve as a lume. And the minute and hour hands are also luminous as well. So let's turn off the light, see what it looks like in the dark here. Beautiful. No nonsense. You can read the time, no problem in the dark. There's another unique thing about this watch also I showed you earlier was the function indicator. That's not something you find on any watch really that I know of. The function indicator shows a W, a D, and H. W for winding position, D for the date position, and H for the hands position. So if I cycle through them in the innermost position for winding, it's just going to show the indicator in the needle under W. For date, it's going to show in the middle position. And the hand setting position is going to be the outermost position. Let's put it back in that date position so you can see that date window cycle through. This 8th, it's the 9th, the 10th. If you look closely, you'll be able to see that date window floating around the dial in the background too. Really cool. Now the movement that we're using here that powers this watch is a CRM-A6. This movement has a 50-hour power reserve and uses a platinum rotor to wind the movement. This movement's only 3.6 millimeters thick and it fits inside this extra flat case very nicely. Right up against that transparent sapphire crystal. Now flipping over here, going on to the strap. This is a rubber strap. It's soft yet rigid, enough not to flex too much on your wrist. As I said, the watch deployment is a double spring type in titanium that closes with spring tension. And the strap can be tucked in neatly like so. The buckle again here is also made of titanium as well. To wrap it up, I'd like to offer my thoughts on this watch. The RM6701 in titanium is a great piece to have in your collection due to its wearability and durability. This lifestyle watch can be enjoyed daily and it's easy to carry on your wrist. It's also unmistakable as a Richard Mille among watch enthusiasts. It's not easy to get into the Richard Mille club, but we have this watch in stock, so now is your chance. Now, if you're wondering where you can get this watch for the best price, visit us here at jazztime.com. We have a website and you can order from us online. Thank you for watching this video about the Richard Mille RM6701 in titanium.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.